Jeff, buddy, you called me over, Jeff. What you need? Welcome, Moose, to the Justice League lair. I'll just show you all. Oh, snap! It's Jafino. Oh, no. What are you wearing? Oh, God. Brick Boss, are you the Hulk? And then Musina's the other person, the girl one? I'm here to show you all. Jeff, I feel like there's a problem here. I feel like this is a relationship problem. What's going on, guys? Come on. I'll destroy the whole lab. Jafina. Oh, no. Jeff, your girlfriend has an army of mini Thanoses. All right, Jafina, let's talk this out. What do you not like about Jeff the Moose? Jeff has nice antlets. You don't like that about him? You two look like the perfect couple. You guys both have rocket launchers. You're both wearing weird outfits. You both have really weird, derpy faces. There you go. So just talk it out and we'll be on our way, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, yo, it's good to be back with another day of Daycare. If you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe, dude. So anyways, let's see what my boy Jeff the Moose is up to today, man. And unfortunately, I still haven't heard from Cyclone, man. I don't know what happened to him, bro. But ever since his girlfriend came, it's just been crazy, man. Like she came to the daycare, and then they were here. They got into crazy fights, and then I don't know. Maybe he got kidnapped. I don't know. Maybe Carly kidnapped him. I don't know, honestly. I don't know what's going on. You know, this is between Cyclone and Carly, you know, his girlfriend and him. So why are you gonna ignore it? Okay, so Jeff, what are you up to today, buddy? Jeff, hello. Where's everybody at? Where's Brick Boss at? Where's that weird fish dude and stuff? Ow! What's that? Hi, Messina. Oh, Jeff, you're still Iron Man. Jeff, I thought we stopped fighting crime. Hi, Captain America. Jeff, I will stay whatever I want to be. I want to be a superhero, okay? So hold on, let me get this straight. Jeff, I thought you resolved that whole situation with you and then, you know, your girlfriend, your wife, you know, Jafina and stuff. Yeah. Oh! Jeff, you're something else. Okay, you're good. Awesome, we're good. Awesome, man. I fixed. Very nice. Okay, very nice. Disco. No disco. Hi, Musina. How you doing? How you been? You're the only one to take care today. What's going on, man? I'm good. Do I see some big fish? I'm so hungry. Oh, by the way, Jeff, come over here, buddy. Jeff, so I know you've been having some problems with Jafina and all. Like, for example, flashback to the previous episode. Come on. This is not going anywhere. This really... Neither... You guys are rocket launcher fighting. Come on. This is a very complicated relationship, isn't it? Spend more time with me and I'll stop. Jeff, all you have to do is just spend more time with her. Like an hour a day extra, bro. You know, it's sometimes no big deal, man. Relationship problems 101. That's how you fix it. Spend more time together. or discuss things. You know, it's simple as that. She's disgusting, but I will manage. Well, guess what, Jeff? Don't you worry, buddy. I have a solution, okay? Because I know you guys have relationship problems. So I brought a wedding cake over. Come here, Jeff. There you go. Come over here, buddy. I got you a wedding cake for you and your wife. There you go. Enjoy. You know, I feel like cake just solves everything, dude. That's what you told me about. What? Yeah, just give her food. You got me cake? No, I didn't get you cake, Messina. What are we talking about? This is for you and Messina. Wait, whoa, hold up. What are you talking about? I'm not even dating Messina, and I'm too young to get married, so congrats, bro. You had the courage to ask the question. Wait. First date. Wait. Hold up. Wait a minute. Wait another left side. We have 2 tons, Messina. I'm just kidding, but as I was saying... Jeff, do not go twisting my words and making things up. I did not get Messina no wedding cake. That's for you and Jafina, man. Okay? Listen, so I don't know what you're thinking, Messina. Hold up, wait a minute. You thought I was finished, but no, I only tell the truth. That's why I'm a moose. All right, Messina, I don't know what Jeff is talking about, but I did not come here to give you a wedding cake or something like that. Okay? You know, it was a... Lies! How? What? Why does this happen? Why do people twist the words? Oh, no, he didn't. He lied. You're twisting my words. Are you kidding me? I swear on the Moosemo gods. You see this? The Moosemo gods. I did not get you the wedding cake. You got me the cake. Okay, well, there is no going back from this one. Okay, awesome. All right, yeah, we see that. Okay, cool. Oh, okay. All right. Relax. Don't get angry. You get when you get angry, it becomes like the whole daycare shakes. Have fun on your date, y'all. What, Jeff? Whoa. Jeff, You set me up. You set me up. You know what? What was she? I will. Jeff, you set me up. You gonna get Domino's pizza? Nah, bro. I can only afford the McDonald's fries. Yo, hold up. Give me a second, man. Texas. Nice. Jeff, why is there so much food here? And why is there a whole table with conveniently 4 seats set up with a bunch of food on it? Jeff, you set me up. You set me up. That's weird. No, all you, bro. Jeff, that's for you and Jafina, and you set me up. Come on. I'm okay with this. Oh, yeah, but see that you're okay with this. I'm not okay with this, Jeff, and I don't want to be in a relationship. He planned all of this. I did not plan all of this. It was Jeff. It was all Jeff. Jeff, I told you, I don't like relationships. What happens is, you know, I work all the time, and then the next thing you know, my girlfriend calls me up like, hey, you working too much. You gotta hang out. And then I'm like, I don't know what to do. I gotta work. People will rely on me. Or he spoke to me ahead. No, that's not true. He wanted to ask you from the second you saw you. Whoa. Makes sense. Oh, my God. Oh. You hear that? That's thunder. That's thunder. That means you're lying. That means you're lying, okay? First of all, I told you. I like relationships, but like on the other hand, I can't handle them. I'm too busy for them, man. I fixed for you. Jeff, I can't be in a relationship, man. I can't handle. I got a puppy. I got this and that. I gotta handle this, and I gotta be texting all the time, and then making sure everyone's good. That's the thunder of love. Oh God. Okay. You want to be pretzel? Don't make her mad. You want to be a pretzel, Jeff? What does that even mean? She makes you into pretzel. I don't want to be pretzel. No, it's not okay. Just do it. Okay, fine. One day, but we're not dating. Okay, we're not dating. No, we're not dating. Okay, all right. What do we got here? I want some big fish. I want some big fish. I want some carrots and some sweet rolls. And also some other food and some fruits and some poached eggs. Sorry. I got it. I'm being a chef, number 1 moose. Very nice. Oh, there's his suit. Very nice. No, man. Is she? Up. She's eating. Up. Okay. Oh, my God. She's eating everything. Oh, and... Jeff, how did she do that? Even I can't do that sometimes. I'm very scared. She ate all my food. All right. Where's the rest? Nice. She can eat more than you. Whoa. No one can eat more than me. You're perfect for each other. Jeff, what are you? No. Listen. It's like looking myself in the mirror. Don't work. Challenge accepted. Relax. There is no challenge, man. You know what? I'm done with this, man. Bye. Oh. Well, I'm very curious what happened there. Eating competition. Bang! Chef, place down the food. Place it down. And we'll see what kind of an eating competition this is gonna be. Bang! Oh, man. You got your boy Moose riled up. You got me riled up. I make gorilla noises. You see? Now I gotta make gorilla. Ow! You smacked me. Not cool. Get it in. Okay. Don't step up. She's eating everything. And she ate the chair and the table. Oh, my God. I'm scared. No. The daycare is shaking very rapidly. I'm scared. Jeff, why do you give me all this food? I'm talking about real food, not this stuff, man. Like this stuff right here. Look at that. Look at these. Speed rolls. You see over here, man, Jeff, look at these. We have a banana split. You just have to put on the ground that we have to eat. Very nice. I don't get time for that. Jeff, you have all the time in the world. You legitimately do nothing all day except daycare and moose mods, okay? Come on, let's be honest. Okay, Jeff. All right, buddy. I want some big fish. I want some moose milk. I want some honey. And also some more turkey. I want some noodle soup, some potatoes, and some bacon, and some bubblegum. Nice. Very nice. Okay, my friend. Okay, very nice. All right, Jeff, this is too much food for me. I cannot handle. No. Jeff, listen. My brother Moose will come here and he'll take care of the food. Very nice. Enjoy. She can. You lose. No. She ate all my food. I told you not to do this. And what do? You make her eat all my food. It's Wait. I'm too fast. Okay, all right. So let's get to the point. Okay, Jeff. Maybe she wins this food war and all right? But I'm not interested in the food I already ate. Actually, I'm always hungry, honestly. So it can be like 5 minutes. But like I was saying, she's a girl. No, am not dating nobody. It ain't working like that. Nah. No. Don't worry. I fix this now. I very much fix. Not according to science. What does science have to do with any of this? What? She's the girl version of me. This is just weird. You kidding me? Look at my. Look. I mean, I'm a little bit thicker, but listen, it's a difference. Okay, we have the same exact costume on. We're both mooses, except she has long hair. But now that I think about it, we're the same eye color too, and you have eyebrows. You copied me. She's like your twin. Whoa! I did not copy nobody. I'm day one. I'm the OG. All right. She's like your twin. She's not my twin. That would be very weird, honestly. That'd be actually pretty creepy. Hey, now, are you insulting me? Whoa, I'm not insulting you. You know, I'm just saying that, you know, I know you want to have like a relationship and all, but listen, I ain't interested. All right? It's like every morning I wake up, I look myself in the mirror. No, I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. Do what you gotta do, bro. Make it work. Jeff, I told you the same thing for Jafina, and you, I mean, bro, she attacked the daycare with like minions. So, I mean, I don't think it gets worse than that. I see now. Whoa, what's wrong with Musina? I married that creature. Jeff, I saved your marriage. And that's why we're best friends. Very nice. Okay. Whoa, Musina, what's wrong? What's wrong? Come on, Musina. I was not trying to be rude. I'm just saying I'm not interested. It's all it is, you know? I mean, yeah, not really interested in you made her sad. I see my cause now. What does that mean? Is that? Hold on, let me check Siri. Hey Siri, what do you do when a girl's mad? Okay, she has no idea what she's talking about. You did this! Well, I didn't do anything. Okay, you look good. You look good. You know, you look amazing. It's like just calling myself good, pretty much. We're the same. It's pretty scary. Whoa! What is that? Whoa! Oh, let me hear. Jeff, she's got a rocket launcher. This. Ah! Oh, snap! Jeff, he's blowing up her daycare. This is not good. Okay, hold on. See that? You look good. Here's a wedding cake. Here's a wake. Here's a wedding cake. So just relax. I don't think. No. Oh, she's more hungry. Oh my God! I'm on your side. Oh, Jeff, the food is not working. We need a plan B. We need nice comments. Musina, your hair is brown. Is that a nice comment? That's plan B. Run! Oh, she's screaming. She's screaming and eating the daycare slowly, and she has a rocket launcher. I am very terrified of this. Oh, this is not very nice. Oh, snap! This is not very good. I'm very scared. I have to go. I have to take care of Moose. Okay, Musina. You know what? When all in doubt, personal space works. Okay, Musina, I hope you have a wonderful day. I'm gonna go. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Go back in the note, Jeff. No. She's shaking the daycare. Oh, snap. Oh, man. She's got a rocket launcher. What do you even do about that? Oh, man. Up, and this is even worse. This is even worse. Okay, you know what? I'm on my way. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and bell.